Welcome to Lucky Wheels. From a horrific accident on the road between an oncoming vehicle and a truck, causing severe damage, to the situation where the truck failed to maintain a safe distance while driving, causing a serious accident. This video was created for educational purposes and contains serious incidents involving trucks and cars, highlighting the dangers of high-speed driving and the importance of traffic safety measures. It also emphasizes the significance of traffic safety. Let's get it on. Be mindful of the center of gravity, especially when negotiating curves. Whoops cargo trucks have a higher center of gravity, making them prone to tipping. On a rainy day, you have to drive cautiously, because any time can be a hydroplane moment. It seems that truck didn't maintain a safe distance. Keeping a safe distance can prevent a chain reaction and give you enough space to stop gradually. Oh my God! A terrible accident on the road involving a truck and an oncoming vehicle. After the accident, the truck caught fire. I hope no one was injured. Oh no, he did not notice that. The traffic in front of him is stopped and reacts delayed. At least there were no injuries. Oh my God! Driver, please pay attention to the stop signal when the train passes. I hope he learns his lesson. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. While, of course, the road is slippery due to the rain, and the road is slightly inclined toward the drainage ditch, making it easy for vehicles to overturn. That's understandable. It's natural to feel frustrated or anxious when facing driving challenges, but it's essential to stay calm and focus behind the wheel. Bro makes steering movement smoothly and avoid sudden or sharp turns. Abrupt steering can lead to loss of traction and results in skidding. As long as you keep a safe distance, even if the car in front of you stops suddenly, you have enough time to brake. Be alert, folks. Do we know if the driver fell asleep or encountered an issue? Either way, they need to implement safety features that will activate the brakes if the driver is no longer actively controlling the vehicle. Adopt a defensive driving mindset by assuming that other drivers may not always follow. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. This is a reminder that the roads demand our full attention. We all want to avoid it. Oh my, that's a blind spot. Please be careful and pay more attention. Everyone. Practice patience, and remember that arriving safely at your destination is more important than saving a few minutes of travel time. Ensure proper weight distribution. This helps reduce the risk of vehicle rollover or damage to both other vehicles and the transported goods. That's a classic case of overestimating your driving skills. Curves demand respect, not recklessness. Everyone, this is the consequence of running a red light. Don't imitate this behavior if you don't want to cause catastrophic accidents on the road. No, never drive into the influence of alcohol or medications that may impair your cognitive function. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. Everyone be vigilant and observant for your surroundings, especially when approaching intersections, alleys, or side streets. Why should those who obey the law pay attention to those who break the law? You would have been charged with dangerous driving for that, so don't do it. I hate impatient people like this. Don't imitate this situation if you don't want to have your driver's license revoked. Oh my God! Please drive more carefully to avoid losing control and causing serious accidents. This incident was simply a failure to maintain a safe distance. Fortunately, no one got hurt. This is the consequence of cutting into other vehicles' lanes. Now, please stay in your lane, everyone. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. It seems this driver is falling asleep while driving. Always stay alert and focus when driving, everyone. Folks, let's drive with a safe following distance. It prompts a more comfortable and confident driving experience. If conditions become too hazard, or if you're unsafe, falling over to a safe location and waiting for the weather to improve. Always pay attention to the vehicle in front of you when crossing the road to avoid accidents. Oh my God! Never dart out in front of a truck. Always give trucks plenty of space when driving. Everyone. If your vehicle starts to slide, gently steer in the direction you want to go. Without overcorrecting, avoid slamming in the brakes, as this can worsen the slide, and everyone is alive. Let's like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our next videos, guys. If you enjoy our video, leave a comment below with the number 1. This was the fault of the truck for not maintaining a safe distance, causing it to collide with the car on the road, leading to it overturning. I hope no one was injured.